Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everybody. It is pandemic pressure that is here in plenty. Yesterday, 1079 cases of COVID positive I reported from the entire UT of J&K. It is the biggest one-day hike. So the predictions are proving right that its death rate and rate of infection might increase in the month of September, and we are witnessing these things when we saw the list of COVID 19 positive cases yesterday. 1079 cases. That means this deadly virus, considered to be born from Wuhan city of China, is doubtlessly putting life at stake. It is killing people and the rate of infection is increasing. Once this virus enters in the respiratory tract of a person, if it goes away and the patient returns negative after quarantine period, but its effect remains in the body. It may cause the body ailments after recovery from this deadly virus. There would be the headache or the respiratory tract infections like common cold and coughing stick to a person, that infection perhaps remains there. Dear students, so in these days of pandemic, we have to be extra cautious, extra careful to save our lives first. Life is of first importance. Once it goes away, it can't be reversed. This is irreversible change. Yesterday, also board issued a notification that class 10th examinations would be conducted in the month of November. So you have to put extra efforts now. You have to do extra hard work now to crack the coming examinations. And it can be done by remaining in home isolation, where you can benefit in yourselves in two ways. One, you will prepare the things for the coming examinations. And secondly, you can defeat the COVID 19 infection by remaining in home isolation. Dear students of class 10th to 12th subject English, today we are dealing with one more important topic, that is removing to. Dear students, to is grammatically adverb and it also means as well as, and to also means also. And a to is substitute for word also as well as, and it can be removed in a particular sentence by word so, by as well as, by also, and comparative degree of an adjective. There is certainly rules for it, and tomorrow I will give you the detailed rules about it. And today is it's only a trial class or it is a mock class. Dear students, it is subject plus verb plus so, because today we are dealing with how we to is removed by a word so, and then the adjectives and adverbs that are used in the sentences. Dear student, it's called transformation of sentences. In a transformation of sentence, when we remove to by a word so, we never change meaning of the sentence. We never have to change or has to change the meaning of the sentence. Take some examples. You can get this concept well. how we to is replaced by word so. For example, she is too weak to pass the examination. Here, subject of the verb is she, but the tense is in the present tense. It is tense is in the present tense. Two things you have to keep in mind while removing to by word so. One, the tense of the sentence, and second, the subject of the sentence. Here, subject is she, and it is in the present tense. She is too weak to pass the examination. She is so weak that she cannot pass the examination. So it is removed by word so, and cannot is used because it is present, it's in present tense. Take the example of past tense. She was too weak to stand. She was too weak to stand. Now the tense is in what? Past tense. And subject of the verb is what? She. She was so weak that she could not stand. And when there is a past tense, there is could not. And when there is present tense, there is cannot. Dear students, take another example. The bag is too heavy to lift. Here, it is being asked to everybody. It's not being asked to a particular person like she or he, but the tense is in what? It is in present tense. The bag is too heavy to lift. The bag is so heavy that one cannot lift it or we cannot lift it. When one cannot lift it, it's being asked to everybody. And when we cannot lift it, that means we all. Take one more example. The he is not so good. He is too good to beat a boy. He is too good to beat a boy. Now it is in what? Present tense. When we are removing it, when we are removing to by a word so, he is so good that he cannot beat a boy. It is in the present tense and we use it cannot. When it is in the past tense, we use could not. For example, it was too cold to go out. It was too cold to go out. It was so cold that one cannot go out. One could not go out. It is too cold to go out. It is so cold that one cannot go out. When there is past tense, we use could not, and when there is present tense, we use cannot by replacing to with a word so. Dear students, this is how we replace adverb to in a sentence and a transformation of a sentence by word so by keeping the tense and the subject of the verb in mind. Dear students, I am not English teacher at all. Better is to learn these things from English expert or English specialized teacher. I am shouldering the task to teach you English because of non-availability of English teacher in our school where I am posted. Better is to learn these things from English expert. And before leaving the class, I am advising you very good grammar books are available now. Do see these things on grammar book so that you may grasp the concept well. In case of any query or confusion that strikes your mind, you can call me on my number that's already in your possession. But once again, before leaving, I'm advising you COVID-19 infection is putting heavy amount of pressure on the entire globe. It's killing people, it's infecting people. So save your lives first, and you can save your lives and also can prepare the things by remaining in home isolation. So in home isolation is the remedy to fight this deadly virus and also the track to crack the examinations that are approaching fast. Thanks. Be balanced.